Yo guys, I'm back with another quick tutorial. Actually, it's not a quick tutorial, but it's the best optimization video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize your Valorant for best FPS ever. Now, there are a lot of videos are available on YouTube, but I'm not talking about those videos. I'm just saying the best straight methods to optimize and get a better FPS. Right now I'm getting 100 plus FPS, 120 plus FPS on in Valorant, and I'm using the low end specs like i5 third generation. CPU is fine, but GPU is so bad, like i5 1 GB GPU, DDR3 64-bit bandwidth. That's so bad GPU actually for this game. Now a lot of people were saying that it's totally based on processor, but it's absolutely wrong. You need a GPU, a better GPU as well. Okay, let's get started this video. First of all, you need a Windows optimization. The links are given below in the description. If you want to optimize your Windows 10, that's good, you can go ahead, but I'm still recommending this Atlas OS for gamers. We redesigned Windows for gaming. Atlas is a Windows version designed for gamers. Atlas users can enjoy higher frame rates, lower input delay and latency. So basically this Windows is totally optimized, and it's a quick window, like it's 1.5 GB. You need to download it and you can boot it with 4 GB USB easily. Now this is the latest version. Right now, might be later on you will get some new versions. Just go always the latest version because it support multiple softwares as well. You can go on the latest version and download it. That's the simple process. You don't need to optimize your Windows, simply download it. Now after installing this operating system, you will face a issue, the drivers issue, because you cannot update this window. It's totally disabled from updating your operating system. Like, just right click on this PC, go into the properties, and then right now you need to go into the device manager. Once you here, you need to see here the display routers. Right now I'm using the NVIDIA drivers, but you cannot update it by using the Windows update, because a lot of things are expected from this, like excluding, you cannot update your operating system, it's not working, and a lot of other things are not working in this Windows because it's totally optimized for gaming. So you need to update your drivers using the NVIDIA driver website. Just search on Google NVIDIA drivers and you will get the NVIDIA driver list. You can easily update it. If you are using the AMD, then go on the AMD website and you can search for your graphic drivers. Right now I'm on the NVIDIA drivers. Just select here your product type, then series. I'm using NVIDIA 600 series, GTX 610. Actually I have graphic card, so it means 600 series. And then product, select your product. I'm using GTX 610. Then click on search, select your operating system here as well. I'm using 64-bit. definitely this window is based on 64-bit, so you need to search for 64-bit. Finally you will get the drivers. Just install them and restart your PC. Your problem should be solved. Now let's optimize the Valorant. For Valorant, you need to go into the C drive, then go into the users, then of course your name, and then app data. If you are using the Atlas OS, the app data will appear here. Otherwise you need to put it in a directory. Just put the slash and type app data and you will get it. Now go into the local. Now find here the Valorant, saved, config, and now here you need to find your accounts. Now there's a few files, but you need to go with these kind of names. Now these are for actually accounts. Recently I just log in. Just go into it, game, Windows, and then game settings. Okay, once you go here, now you can see here the resolution quality. That's mean the rendering quality. So you can set it here 70 or 75. It's on you. You can set it. Now view distance quality should be 3, and all of others you can put them on 0 or 1111, something like that. You can just optimize it. You can just copy my setting. I'm just zooming this for you. You can just set it out. After configuring all the setting, just close it, save, and then close. Now just right click on it, go into the properties and check the read only option, so it will not change automatically again and again. Now you can also try these settings on other. Simply copy all the notepad and paste all notepad here. that's the best way. Now after doing this, just click on save and do the same thing, read only, and then close it. Now go into the C drive again. Now this time you need to go into the Riot client. Now my Riot client is in C drive. I just install my Valorant in C drive, but if you have installed it in other drive, then go into the Riot games. Once you go into the Valorant, just right click on it, open the properties, and just go into the capability modes, and then disable full screen optimization. Hit apply. It will provide you a better smoothness experience. Now you can also try the MSI Afterburner for optimizing, but before this, let's discuss about the NVIDIA control panel. Now in the NVIDIA control panel, on the top option, adjust image setting with preview, you can go with the bottom options that actually optimize for performance and quality. You can increase towards the performance tab. It will provide you the best FPS, but definitely the edges are not much smoother, like the sharpness are included. Now the preview, as mentioned, the performance means bad graphics and the quality means good graphic, but definitely with bad quality you will get a better FPS, and it will not like destroying your graphic much like that. You can just select for performance for better FPS. Anyways, now there's another option called resolution. You can increase your heart rates for better optimization. Right now I'm using 75 Hz, but my monitor is 60 Hz. You can optimize it for 70 for lower resolution. For native resolution, always you can get a better hertz, but you can increase your resolutions with hertz. You can just test, you can just tweak a bit and you will get a better hertz for your monitor. Right now I'm using 75 on 60 Hz monitor, but still it's so smooth. That's it. Now save these settings, and after this you can, the last thing is MSI Afterburner. You can use that on the safest point. Now there's a lot of other things in MSI Afterburner, but I'm just showing you the best and safe thing that will not destroy your GPU, even the CPU. Now this is the optimization form, but the basic one is, let me reset it first so you will understand how actually it's work. This is my basic performance of my GPU, the core clock and the memory clock. You can increase it and check this. Also check the fan sync, so it will optimize your fan with the heat up. Like when your graphic card will heat up, it will automatically increase the fan performance, so your GPU will be safe. Now these are the best settings guys ever for Valorant. You can apply these settings for other game as well. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.